Welcome to Brain Vision.
R is equal to 3 feet, and this implies that R dot is equal to 0 and R double dot is also 0. Theta is equal to 0.5 t, and t is equal to 3 seconds. Theta is equal to 1.5 radian, and theta dot is equal to 0.5 radian per second. Theta double dot is equal to 0. Well, Z is equal to 3 times sine of 4 theta. Theta is equal to 1.5 radian. Therefore, Z is equal to minus 0.838 feet. Now, Z dot is equal to 12 times cosine of 4 theta times theta dot. So Z dot is equal to 5.761 feet per second, right? And Z double dot is equal to minus 48 times sine into 4 theta times theta dot square plus 12 times cosine into 4 theta times theta double dot. So Z double dot is equal to 3.353 feet per second square. Now V is equal to root R dot square plus R theta dot whole square plus Z dot square, which is equal to 5.953 feet per second. And acceleration A is equal to root into R double dot minus R theta dot square plus R theta double dot plus 2R dot theta dot whole square plus Z double dot square. So acceleration is equal to 3.436 feet per second.